Vane shear test. The Vane shear test is an in-situ geotechnical testing methods used to estimate the undrained shear strength of fully saturated clays without disturbance. The test is relatively simple, quick, and provides a cost-effective way of estimating the soil shear strength. Therefore, it is widely used in geotechnical investigations. Objective: to find shear strength of a given soil specimen. Need and scope: the structural strength of soil is basically a problem of shear strength. Vane shear test is a useful method of measuring the shear strength of clay. It is a cheaper and quicker method. The test can also be conducted in the laboratory. The laboratory Vane shear test for the measurement of shear strength of cohesive soils is useful for soils of low shear strength, less than 0.3 kg per centimeter square, for which triaxial or unconfined tests cannot be performed. The test gives the undrained strength of the soil. The undisturbed and remolded strength obtained are useful for evaluating the sensitivity of soil. Equipment: Vane shear apparatus, Vane shear machine. Test procedure: clean the apparatus thoroughly. Apply grease to the lead screw. Fill up the sampling mold with remolded soil at required density and moisture content or the undisturbed soil sample. Level the surface of the sample with the mold. Mount the sampling tube with sample under the base of the unit and clamp it in position. Bring the maximum pointer into contact with the strain indicating pointer. Note down the initial reading of these pointers on the circular graduated scale. Lower the bracket until the shear vanes go into the soil sample to their full length. Operate the torque applicator handle until the specimen fails, which is indicated by the return of the strain indicating pointer or rotation of drum. Note down the readings of the maximum pointer. The difference between the two readings, initial and final, gives the angle of torque. Repeat steps 3 to 8 times, on a number of test specimens to obtain the average shear strength of the sample. Observations: after performing test, the values are noted in the table. Calculations: shear strength, S equals T into G equals T by pi of D square into H by 2 plus D cubed by 6, where S equals shear strength of soil in kg per centimeter square, T equals torque in Newton centimeter, equals spring constant divided by 180 into difference between initial and final reading. D equals overall diameter of vane in centimeter. H equals height of vane in centimeter.